Hi everyone. Recently at AI Point, we done a collaboration work with Buzzy.buzz. So they're actually a low-code, no-code platform that you can create your Figma file and then generate a new website, whether it's a SaaS or a normal website or a mobile app. So in our collaboration with Buzzy, we built a solution that covered with the AI agent in the backend that we built, and the front end was done on to Buzzy.buzz. So this way, we build the solutions end to end from a backend side and the front end side to scan invoices and receipts and basically categorize the information and the data and send it to a QuickBook or Xero or anything like that. So now let's have a look how it's done. As I mentioned earlier, with Buzzy, which is a low-code, no-code platform, you can design your Figma and the workflow as well that you have and the customer journey, and then build your application, whether it's a website or a SaaS product or a mobile app. In this collaborative work that we have done, basically, we went through the Figma files, get every steps of the project and how the customer journey is going to look like. So when a receipt comes through and it gets uploaded and etc., and then when the actual data comes back through the AI agent that is processing this data, so then it shows the actual data to the user. So we went through that and implement everything in Figma and then convert that to an actually nice mobile app that we're going to have a look at in a second. As you can see here, this is the Buzzy dashboard. So once you log into your Buzzy account, so you can have this, you can have access to a dashboard where this dashboard gives you an option to edit your Figma file, apply different settings, and view your live app, right? This is where we look at the Figma files. And now we can do also settings. The settings is about integrating the Buzzy app with the backend that we implemented with AI agent service that we have and running on AWS cloud, right? So for example, here we can do lots of different kind of configuration. And here, so we have different kind of pages for this section. So you can apply different fields and you add your and basically set up your application. That's how actually Buzzy works. As you can see here, basically this is the mobile app we have. So it's lots of different receipts that we uploaded. So I'll go here and add a receipt. So I can basically select a file here. I select one of the file. And then once the file is uploaded, I can click on the process with AI. And then this will send the request to our backend, which is the AI agent. Is deployed on AWS ECS and Fargate. So it will send the request that, hey, this is the receipt. Can you send me the data? So one part is that basically we use OCR to detect the text, but that's not limited to that. So basically this agent, it goes beyond just detecting the data, and also as the second tools, in addition to OCR, it goes and categorize the data. So it understands what is in the data, is the products and the description and so on, and categorize them. And then we can save and close this interface, or send save and sync to QuickBooks basically. So for example, if we check this one, it shows that the category is meat and it categorizes the data based on that. So these agents basically use two different tools. It uses OCR to detect text from the images or PDF files. And another aspect is that it uses LLM for categorizing the text that it extracted from the images and it return it back to the user. So we're also going to add an option that you can select which category you want and the data gets categorized to. and that also this solution can be expanded to extracting and detecting text and categorizing text for different kind of documents and not limited to receipts and invoices. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to implement something similar or explore different capabilities, feel free to reach out to us at aipoint.io or Buzzy team at buzzy.buzz. We are both happy to help you out on different capabilities that you want to explore, whether it's a mobile app, website, SaaS products, using AI agents and AI assistants, or generative AI in general. Hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.